I'm so excited for this video because not only am I doing like a super natural light glam makeup look, but we are talking about giveaways, ladies and gentlemen. We finally hit 2K subscribers. I don't want to say 2K. We hit 2,000 subscribers on here. I'm so happy, I'm so grateful, and I kind of wanted to just pick up some items to give away as my way of saying thank you to you guys for your love and support. I appreciate it so much. It means the world to me. I'm not gonna get too cheesy, too sappy, but oh my god, I can't thank you enough because creating content and videos just makes me so happy. It helps me a lot, and the fact that you guys enjoy it just makes my heart so happy and so full. So thank you so much. I'm not going to ramble too much. For today's tutorial, I was going to do something a little bit more glam. However, I decided to take a step back and do something really natural. I kind of wanted to like skip the eyeshadow today and just focus on a super dewy, glowy, light spring summer makeup look. Also, I can't resist a nude lip and some gloss, so I had to throw that in there too. Make sure you stay to the end of this video because the giveaway will be included at the end of this video. I'm so excited for that, and again, thank you guys so much. This intro is getting a little long, so let's get into it. The first thing I'm doing today is priming my skin with my Emani Perfect 10 Primer Serum. This stuff is awesome. It's super moisturizing and hydrating, and it just creates a really nice even base for your foundation. For foundation today, I will be using my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation. I love this stuff during spring and summer because not only does it have SPF in it, so I am keeping my skin safe from the sun, which is so important because the sun does cause a lot of damage and aging issues and all that kind of stuff. But it also has a beautiful, glowy, dewy coverage to it, and I find that I can build it up if I want more of a fuller coverage, or I can just put a light layer on if I just need to kind of balance out my skin. I'm going to put a little bit of concealer right on my inner corner. This is my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I love this stuff. It is probably my all-time favorite concealer, honestly. I haven't found one that I love as much as this, just because the coverage is so on point. It's super lightweight. I don't feel like it's super heavy. It doesn't crease or anything like that. I love this stuff, but I'm just going to focus this right where I need it, which is just going to be right in my inner corner of my under eye. That is where I tend to have a lot of my darkness and where I get my dark circles and everything like that, so I just want to make sure I cover that up by tapping that from the inner corner of my under eye all the way out towards the outer corner, kind of creating a triangle shape under my eye there. I'm going to bronze up the rest of my skin with my Soleil Tan de Chanel cream bronzer. It sounds so bougie, but honestly this is my all-time favorite cream bronzer. It just goes so beautifully onto the skin. It's very buildable, and I've had this for years and I barely made a dent in it. I love it so much. You see me use this all the time, so I definitely recommend trying this out. I'm also interested in trying out the Milk Makeup cream bronzer. If you guys have any cream bronzers you guys enjoy, please let me know because I've been loving them lately. But I'm really quickly just going to go in with a little bit of my Morphe Liquid Luster Drops. This is in the shade Optic. It's a golden highlight, and I'm just going to put that right on my cheekbone, right at the high point of my cheekbone, to help to highlight that area. Now I'm going to be setting my under eye using my RCMA No Color Powder. I'm just putting this on the under eye and the center of my face where I tend to get a little bit more oily or where my makeup tends to move. I like to go back in with my concealer brush before I set my under eye just to make sure that I'm not setting any creases or fine lines into my concealer, because when you set your makeup, how it looks beforehand is how it's going to look once it's set. So you want to make sure you blend everything out so that everything looks nice and smooth. But as you can see, I'm just putting this in the center of my face and on my under eyes, just to help set everything in place and keep everything nice and matte. Now I'm using my NARS Laguna bronzer. I love this. Fun fact, this is the first high-end bronzer I ever bought. It is just very beautiful. I find it layers really nicely with the Chanel cream bronzer as well, because it does have a little bit of a warmer shimmer to it. It's not super glittery or anything like that, but it definitely creates a sheen on the skin, so I love using these two products together, and this is definitely one of my all-time favorite bronzers. For blush today, I will be using my Morphe Blush Trio in the shade Pop of Coral, and I will be using the shade Unapologetic. This is one of my favorite all-time summer blushes because it has a little bit more of a tan sheen to it, so I love that. I will be using my Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighter today. This is one of my favorite golden highlighters, and combining this with the Optic drops is honestly a dream team. I'm just really quickly going to fill in my brows. You guys have seen this before, so I will link the video down below, and then we will move on to the eyes. I am going to pick up my P. Louise base and I'm going to use this to carve out my brows and also to conceal the lid. I want to keep the eyes light today. I was originally going to do more of a golden smoky look. However, to be completely honest, halfway through filming this video, I had to go downstairs and eat because I was hanging on by a thread. And my sister said that the light eyes looked really pretty. So I'm just going to keep it super clean on the lid today. Usually when I do looks where I'm not using eyeshadow, I like to just do this with the lid just to brighten it up and clean everything up. And also this helps to carve out the brow, which also makes it look nice and clean, which who doesn't love that? All I'm doing now is picking up a fluffy shadow brush. I want to say this is my JH40, although I could be wrong, and I'm just using that bronzer and lightly putting it in my crease. I'm really not focusing on building up any definition on the outer corner or anything like that. I just want to sweep this through my crease so that I have a little bit of that bronzer there to really incorporate the eyes and the face together, and also just to add a little bit of definition, because why not, you know? Why not just throw a little bronzer in the crease? Now I'm taking the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighter again, and I'm focusing this on the inner corner. I just want to brighten up that inner corner of the eye, and I'm slightly going to bring it onto the lid. However, I'm not putting it all over the lid, and then I'm slightly bringing it onto that lower part of the lash line. So really just focusing it on that inner corner, blending it nicely out. I am using a nude liner today. This is my ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner. This is in the shade Honeydew. I'm just going to put that into my lower waterline to help open up my eyes a little bit more. And then before I put on mascara today, I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm just going to put on a quick coat of my Tarte Surfer Curl Mascara. I love this stuff, and the packaging is really cute, which honestly is just a bonus. Okay, ladies and gents, it really is the little things in life. Also, I don't know about you guys, but I have the worst habit of getting mascara on my lid, so I just want to show you guys how I go and remove that, because it honestly is so easy. I just take a clean blank spoolie. I just have a bunch of disposable spoolies in my makeup kit. I wait till it's dry, and then you just have to go in and lightly flick it off. You have to make sure you wait until it dries though, because if it's not dry, it will smear. So now I'm using my Trace Chic Cosmetics lashes. These are in the style Kiss. I love these so much. You guys already know I have the code BRICK20. You can save 20% if you want to try any of their lashes. They did just release some lash kits as well, which I am obsessing over. I will film with those later so you guys can see the new styles they have. I'm just going in and I'm putting some of that Gilded Honey highlighter onto my brow bone to lift that area and highlight that and bring everything together. I'm going back in with my Tarte Surfer Curl Mascara, and I'm applying this to my lower lashes. Fun fact, I actually used to always skip lower lash mascara, which now saying that, I don't know what was wrong with me or why I did it. It did used to make my under eyes look a little bit darker, but I personally think that's just because your girl did not know how to properly correct and conceal. So now I really can't do my makeup without it, and quickly I'm just going to line my lips with my Morphe lip liner in the shade Backseat Love. This is just a perfect nude liner. It has a little bit of a pink tone to it. And then I will be going in with my ColourPop Lippy Sticks in the shade Dream Date. It is just the most beautiful nude shade. I love it so much. Okay, so now we're going to hop into the giveaway portion of today's video, which I'm so excited for. I can't believe we finally hit 2,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support, and this is kind of just my way of giving back and saying thank you to you guys. So, I have some palettes I'm going to be giving away. I'm going to pull the box over here and show them to you. I will put them up on the screen in some of the corners here just so you can see the actual product and what it looks like. I obviously don't want to take it out of the package. I'm not going to touch products that I'm going to be giving away to you guys. I won't be swatching anything, but I will have the products on the screen so you can see. So for the YouTube giveaway, I'm so excited to show you guys these two products I'm going to be giving away. The first is the Morphe 24A Artist Pass. I am so excited I was able to get my hands on this palette. I actually got one for myself too, so we will be twinning. I'm actually super excited. I will be doing a tutorial with this soon. I'm getting off track here. I wanted to give away something colorful, and also this offers a bunch of like pressed pigments and glitters, which I think is a lot of fun, and it's fun to play around, especially now that it's summer. So I have this palette here as part of the YouTube giveaway. This is the Morphe 35W palette. This is the next palette I will be giving away. I wanted to offer you guys something with warmer shades that offers transition shades. You have your more dramatic shades in here. There's also shimmery shades, matte shades. This is kind of just like the perfect everyday eyeshadow palette. I just thought I would include this in here because not everyone likes to use color, so I figured people would get good use out of this. I will also be doing a giveaway on Instagram, so I will be giving away 2 more palettes on there. I have the 18S palette, which is a Sunset Beats palette. It is so gorgeous. It is perfect for warm tones. And then I also have the 18A palette because I figured, you know, if you're going to have your warm tones, you have to have some cool tones. So this will be available on my Instagram. I will have that link down below if you want to check it out. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for your love and support. I love making videos. This is a really great creative outlet for me. It keeps me busy. I can kind of express myself and try out new things, and I just really love editing and makeup, so I'm glad that you guys are enjoying my channel. The guidelines for the giveaway are very simple. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and then give this video a thumbs up once you have completed those, and just leave a comment down below. Literally anything. Tell me something about yourself, let me know how your day is going, doesn't matter, just tell me something so that I know that you entered. The way I will be choosing the giveaway winner for YouTube is I will be taking all the comments from the video, putting them into like a random website, and they will randomly choose a winner. I'm not going to be picking someone because honestly I would just want each of and every single one of you to win, and I couldn't pick someone. That just wouldn't be fair. So I'm going to do a random generator to figure out who the winner is. I'm going to have this open for 2 weeks probably. I just want to give everyone a good opportunity and a good kind of time to enter, and then I will be doing a video where I announce the giveaway winner, and I will contact you. The person will have 24 hours to respond. If you don't respond within 24 hours, I am so sorry, but I will have to choose another winner. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate and I love every single one of you. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell button on your way out, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.